Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. And if you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about why you should start a prepper notebook. Now, I have had my prepper notebook for some time now, and it's almost full, and I'm going to have to start a second one. I have been known on my channel for having my prepper notebook. I refer back to my prepper notebook on a daily basis. I have actually been criticized for having a prepper notebook. I've actually been told by a few people, real preppers don't need a notebook. Okay. Now, one of the reasons why I feel it would be great for like-minded people to have a prepper notebook. You have all of your plans, all your preparedness plans in one location. And it's something you can keep going back to and referring to over and over again. When you write down your plans, okay, on paper, you're thinking rationally. You're thinking logically. Because you're in a state of mind, you're at peace, and you're just writing. It's almost like keeping a journal. Does that make sense? You're able to make sure your plans have no mishaps, no mistakes, because you can go back and add or take away, that type of thing. Also, in any situation, a trusted family member, or if you're in a group member can refer to your notebook for guidance. All right. Now, another reason why you don't forget your important information. In a crisis situation, you're not always going to have your head on straight. You're going to be running around like a chicken without a head. Your thoughts are going to be scrambled. And if you have your notebook, everything is written right down there, and that's it. Just have to refer to it. Next step. What's my next step? Where do we go from here? Okay, did I forget anything? No, it's right here. That's why I always keep my notebook with me at all times. It's with my EDC in my purse. Okay. Now, you're not always going to remember things like ham radio frequencies, directions to certain locations like where you're keeping your cash, certain procedures to use certain tools, gear, that type of thing. Now, the third reason you can easily revisit and review your plans over and over again. And this way you can also better prepare yourself, because if you made any mistakes, you write everything down. This is what happened. This is how we can better ourselves. Now, revisiting and reviewing your plans, whether you do it every day, every 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, however many times you do it, it helps you consider changes that may or may not be needed. Okay? Now, another reason, you always have valuable resource if you ever have to bug out. Okay? Like I said, chicken without a head. All right? Bugging out, that's like a last resort for all of us. I think it is. Like I've said in many other interviews that I've done, even just talking here, my house better be on fire, unlivable for me to bug out. Okay? But it's not always going to go as planned. So having your notebook with you will literally be invaluable to you when you need to recall something that's important that you might forget in the heat of the moment. So that's another reason why. Now, this, say, God forbid, anything ever happens to you. Okay? And I know this is, you're going to be like, why do you have to bring this up? Listen, it's a reality, right? Your family will know what to do if you're not around. Say you guys get broken up in a situation because, you had to scatter. And your husband has your notebook and you don't. Did you have a meetup place written down in your notebook? You remember that meetup place, but they don't. They can refer to your notebook, right? We prep to ensure that our loved ones are taken care of in a crisis situation. I know we all do this. But as preppers, I know that I always what if myself to death. I mean, I'm always second guessing myself, even with every video that I put up. What if, what if, what if? And I know I shouldn't do that. I know that I should have confidence in everything that I do. But I don't always. So having my prepper notebook for my family in case I'm no longer here, I hate to even think about that, but it's something that I do think about. It would be a great resource for my family to follow in a crisis situation, okay? Now, some examples of what you could have written down in your notebook is your preparedness plans for bugging in, bugging out, various routes for if you have to bug out bag contents, okay? Coordinates to your cache, pictures and info about the most common plants that can be foraged in your area, okay? If you don't have a book, write everything down in your notebook, okay? Ham radio frequencies, how-to, survival-related information, recipes for cooking with your preps, family medical history. List of your bank accounts and credit card info. Now, that can be a little hinky for some people, but it's always good to have. I think it is, at least. In case the internet is still up and running, you just never know. Because with these days, nobody knows what the hell is going to happen from one day to the next. Login and password information. Okay. Important phone numbers, location of water resources, insurance information, pictures of your house, the contents of your house, that type of thing. Okay. So, in conclusion, having a prepper notebook is like creating a valuable resource. You're making sure no important information gets left out. And you might be creating a valuable heirloom that your children take with them, pass down to their children, your grandchildren pass down to your great-grandchildren. That's how I see it. So, that's all. Okay. I love you. Stay safe, stay positive. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.